Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this special location, especially at Jepara International Conference, which is held by Universitas Islam Nahdlatul Ulama Jepara, I would like to present my paper entitled The Effectiveness of Meaningful Collaborative Activities on Students' English Learning Outcome. This paper is presented and written by Husni Nina Sofiana, and Danang Mahendra. First of all, I would like to present the introductions. The current curriculum, especially Merdeka curriculum, which is implemented in Indonesian school, teachers and students are required to be able to fulfill the demand inside the curriculum, especially in English subject, both in terms of learning outcome. Pancasila students profile, material and learning model, which is used by the teachers in the classroom. The challenges in implementing the applicable curriculums are the teacher's ability to be able to implement learning model, provide instruction for meaningful activities by prioritizing collaborative learning where students can work together to achieve learning goal through activities in the classroom carried out together. To overcome this problem, it is necessary to apply an appropriate learning model, which is stated by Brown. Learning model is defined as an overall plan for systematic language presentations based on the chosen approach. One of the suitable learning model to be able to be implemented in teaching learning English in the new curriculum is meaningful collaborative activities. Therefore, the study aimed at examining the impact of meaningful collaborative activities on student English learning outcome. And then, what are the related theories in order to build up these articles? Meaningful activities refers to learning that requires students to participate actively to shape their cognitive learning experience. Experts have stated the meaningful activities refer to the theory developed by Ausubel, which is closely related to constructivism theory, where students are asked to build their own cognitive aspect so as to obtain meaningful activities. Kian and Kui, which states the meaningful activities occur when students are actively involved in making meaning, which is then transformed into interactions in learning activities. Meaningful activity involve knowledge constructions where students make meaning by building activities on the cognitive aspect of incoming informations and then processing it into meaningful information. The method used in this paper is quantitative research approach. As far as we know that in quantitative research approach, the analysis will be analyzed by using statistical pattern. And in this spatial paper, I would like to analyze by using SPSS analysis. And then the method used in this research is experimental design, which is used in this study with the purpose to determine the relationship between the variable in this research, where the variable in this research were meaningful collaborative activities and student English learning outcome as independent and dependent variable. And then the type of the design could be seen from my slide that there are two experimental group and then two control group, which is for the experimental group, students will get a treatment, yeah, in the process of teaching and learning process by using the new teaching model, which is meaningful collaborative activities, where for the student in control group, they get the treatment like a usual treatment without using any more teaching model at all. And then for the research respondent, there will be 90 students, yeah, which is divided into four groups. Experimental group 1 consists of 30 students, and experiment group 3 will also consist of 30 students. Control group 2 uh, will be consisted of 30 students, and then for the last group, control 4, also consisted of 30 students. And then this respondent are taken from public school and also the private school, which is different into some schools in Central Java province. Based on the SPSS calculation, in order to find out the t-test analysis, it was found that, yeah, for and there will be a difference between students in experimental group and also students in uh, experimental in pre-test and then the post-test, yeah, which is shown by the difference t-test analysis, which is found minus 1.129. Although this result show the minus calculations, it also could be counted into positive analysis, and then it should be compared into the table. And then for the uh, control groups, yeah, it also compared by using the t-test analysis, which is could be found in a table 6, where the t result show 3.43 and 3, and then it will be compared into the t table. Based on the analysis, it could be found that, yeah, there will be an increasing score between the t-test result for the table 4, yeah, when it is compared to the t-test result in table 6. And then for the table 8, it was found that the t-test analysis, and the result of the result showed that 3.64 and 4. Yeah, it means that the t-test result found should be compared into t-table, and based on the calculations, it was found that there, there is a difference between student score in experimental group and also student score in control group. So it could be concluded that the applications of meaningful activities combined with other learning model has a significant influence on students' English learning outcome at junior high school. The combinations of learning activities with adjustment to the stages of the learning model can be the right strategy if there is a break in English learning in the classroom, which causes the teacher to be unable to achieve the learning objective well. The difference in score in the two school and in the two group is sufficient basis. The implementations of meaningful collaborative activities can help increase the English mean score of students. In other words, meaningful collaborative activities can provide a bridge for students to learn the material contained in the English lesson, provided in the learning stages in meaningful collaborative activities are actually carried out in sequence. By carrying out sequential learning stages, the effectiveness of meaningful collaborative activities on English learning outcome can be implemented by both teachers and also students. Vice versa, the applications of the usual learning model has not shown good result when simultaneously compared with learning result by using MCA in both public schools and private schools, as well as in the experimental group and also the control group. That's all my presentations. I would like to say thank you very much, and I also need your suggestions and also your recommendation for my further research. Thank you, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.